हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 73, 74, 75 एंड 76 ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 19 अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड एल एंड इश. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 73. स्टार्ट. लॉसेस, swells, laws, elation, alpine, lupin, lucid, local, illustration, lever. Next is alcove, legation, align, lancet, loosen, ellington, appall, below, towel, thread. Next is vole, volley, coral, gorilla, kneel, kingly, strongly, canals, kennel. Next is fossils, nervously, chancel, resolve, delta, belfry, gallop, Philip. Next is unlock, lock, films, mailing, kneeling, Nelson, scaling, felicity, aimlessly. Next is brush, trash, blush, nutritious, spacious, sugar, chivalry. Next is exercise number 74. Start. Lie, lies, sly, slice, slices, steal, stolen, swallow. Next is Alps, Alaska, loath, loafer, lore, locker, latch. Next is alack, lack, allocation, location, license, Ellison. Next is bail, below, towel, filey, wheel, villa, duel. Next is canals, denial, frowningly, vessel, profusely. Next is unlucky, lucky, pulling, spelling, sculling. Next is plush, splash, crush, atrocious, waspish. Next is exercise number 75. Be ready. Start. A life of leisure is a life of pleasure. Needless to say, this is a fallacy, but false as it is fairly widely spread. Many foolish fellows bewail their lack of means to choose either to loll or to labor just as they like. They look jealously on those who appear to have nothing else to do but eat and drink and enjoy a merry life, when the poor man toils ceaselessly for food and lodging for himself and family. But in simple truth, there is no more awful life than the lazy, useless life of the ideal man, and it is also true to say there are exceedingly few rich men nowadays liable to the charge of laziness because they know the busy life is the happy one. Happiness is an elusive thing, and more rich men than poor fail to grasp it. Exercise number 76. Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, the volumes of the French Revolution for which you ask in your favor of the 1st July shall be delivered to you early tomorrow. We are just now out of stock of the life of Lord Lumley, last year's best seller, and we are unable to say when we shall receive copies. We have a daily delivery from the wholesalers, however, and you may rely upon our mailing the volume to you as soon as it reaches us. We are taking the liberty of enclosing for your approval Naval Lessons of the War by Philip Bailey. Please return this with the next parcel if it makes no appeal to you. Yours truly. So these are the 4 exercises of chapter number 19. अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.